On behalf of AWS and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast for our federal podcast series, where Kevin Mead, Vice President of Business Development at Kinect Consulting, will discuss Cloud One conformity. Kevin, the floor is all yours.
Thanks very much. I appreciate everybody spending some time with us today. So we're going to talk about a topic of huge importance to federal agencies using AWS, and that's how can you continually optimize your AWS environment. So we're going to start with just a quick discussion of what is the well-architected framework for AWS. So the AWS well-architected framework is best practices for designing and operating cloud environments that are optimized in terms of 5 pillars: security, performance, reliability, cost, and operational excellence. So when you're well-architected, it means you're adhering to these best practices. Why is being well-architected so important? The simple answer is that when you're optimized in AWS, you receive the full value of the cloud. Your systems run faster, break less, bounce back faster when they do break, and you're more secure, more scalable, you pay less, and so on. It's all goodness. So once you've designed a well-architected environment, you're not finished. And we could only wish it were that simple. Well-architected is a rapidly moving target that we're always trying to hit. AWS is releasing hundreds of new services and thousands of new features every year, and your agency's technology landscape is constantly changing. This is why it's critical for federal agencies using AWS to make well-architected an ongoing discipline rather than a one-time event. So what are some of the best practices around remaining well-architected and making it an ongoing discipline? Well, I suggest that you tackle well-architected like any other IT challenge.